Right, in this video we're going to look at multiplying out polynomials. So we got to work out 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x times 3x squared minus 4x plus 5. So we've got a cubic times a quadratic. Right, writing that out. So what we do is this, we say it's 2x cubed times this bracket, and then minus 3x squared times 3x squared minus 4x plus 5, and then plus 5x times this bracket here, 3x squared minus 4x plus 5. Then we remove the bracket, so get 2 times 3. But before we go any further, we should remember this rule of indices. A to the m times a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. So you add together the powers. Therefore, 2 times 3 gives me 6, and then 3 plus x to the 5 plus 2, 3 plus 2, which gives me 5. Then 2x cubed times minus 4x gives me minus 8x to the 4. 2 times minus 4, x cubed times x. 2x cubed times 5 gives me 10x cubed. Then we do this one. Minus 3x squared times 3x squared is going to give me 9x to the 4. And then minus 3x squared times minus 4x is going to give me plus 12. So the sign changes, the minus times the minus. So this one you need to be careful with the signs. Minus 3x squared times 5 gives me with minus 15x, and then plus 5x times 3x squared gives me 15x cubed, and then 5x times minus 4x gives me minus 20x squared, and then 5x times 5 gives me plus 25x. And we collect together like terms. There's 1x x to the 6 x to the 5 term. There's 1, 2 x to the 4 terms, and then for the cubics there's 1, 2, 3 of those. We'll list those, making sure you get the right sign each time. For the squares there's 2 of those, and then there's a x term as well. And then what we do, we get 6x to the 5 minus 8 minus 9 gives you minus 17x to the 4. 10 plus 12 plus 15 gives 37x cubed. Minus 15 minus 20 gives minus 35x squared plus 25x. So the final answer is 6x to the 5 minus 17x to the 4 plus 37x cubed minus 35x squared plus 25x. Now an alternative method is to use a grid. So write the top one out across the top here, each term with the correct sign. 2x cubed minus 3x plus 5x, and then write this one vertically like that, so you get 3x squared minus 4x plus 5, and then work out each thing individually. 3x squared times 2x cubed is 6x to the 5. 3x squared times minus 3x squared gives minus 9x to the 4. 3x squared plus 5x times 5x gives me 15x cubed. Minus 4x times 2x cubed gives me minus 8x to the 4. Minus 4 times minus 3x times x squared gives me plus 12x cubed. Minus 4x times 5x gives minus 20x squared, and then 5 times 2x cubed gives 10x cubed. 5 times minus 3x squared gives minus 15x squared, and then 5 times 5x gives 25x. Now you collect together the like terms. So we've got 6x to the 5, and then we've got 2 terms in terms of 4, so minus 9x to the 4 minus 8x to the 4. 3 terms are cubed. It's plus 15x cubed plus 12x cubed plus 10x cubed. 2 terms with x squared, so it's minus 20x squared minus 15x squared. They don't always appear in diagonals like this, so you need to just write them out, and then plus 25x at the end. Collect together the like terms. 6x to the 5 minus 17 x. 15 plus 12 plus 10 is 37x cubed, minus 20 minus 15 gives minus 35x squared plus 25x. So the final answer will be 6x to the 5 minus 17x to the 4 plus 37x cubed minus 35x squared plus 25x. So this has been a video to show you at least two methods of showing how to multiply two polynomials together. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.